What's up, Jooba people? Welcome to this lesson. Today we're learning Goodness, Love, and Mercy by Tomlin. That's one song, not 3 songs. And yeah, we're gonna learn exactly how Tomlin plays it in this live video, that live from church video, where it's gonna be in the key of D. Very easy way, and then it also uses B minor, G, D. Anyway, and then we're gonna learn it with, and then it transposes to E. After the first chorus, and then it's got that hard piano part where it's like, and it's more advanced. But I'm gonna tell you an easy way to play it and a hard way. I always show the songs in an easy way. I always do it in an easy way and a hard way so that you can actually get by with the song. So let's say if you have a piano player doing the fancy chords in the bridge, you can play the basic chords. So those are the hard chords, but you can actually play. You can actually do that and still get by with the song. So I'm going to show you that. Let me show you what everything's going to sound like. I'll go through all the parts quickly, and then we'll break down the individual verse, chorus parts. Okay. Just quickly before we carry on, I just want to show you the chords in the key of D. I've got a video of this on my channel, so I'm not going to go very deep into the chords. You can just say chords in the key of D on my channel and you'll get the video. But it's basically D, and then D sus4 or G. Now you can play this G with the index finger as well here, and it's capo on the 3rd fret the whole song. Okay, capo on the 3rd fret, which makes this technically in the key of F, not the key of D, but we're using our D chords, if that makes sense. Okay, so and then A, we're going to use this A sus4, which is really nice with this type of music to use this chord. It sounds much better than the A to me, and I think that's what Tomlin uses as well. So B minor, we're using this B minor, and then we're using this G. You don't have to use that passing chord, it's just basically D. Let me quickly show my lesson notes here, so you guys can screenshot this if you want to just follow along. So you can screenshot that, I'll put that on there. There we go. If you want a proper PDF for this, I'll put the link in the description of this video. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we're at the end part of the verse, or the pre-chorus actually. It's B minor. And then the chorus uses the same chords. Okay, I think we can start breaking down the parts in the key of D. So the first section of the song is in the key of D, the second section is going to be in the key of E, which is a little bit harder. And you don't have to do the transposition. If you don't want to, you can stay in the key of D, but he transposes from D to E. Okay, so basically the verse is going G, 1, 2, 3, 4, switch, 1, 2, 3, 4, A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And in the middle of this lesson, we're going to do a picking pattern for the song as well, which is going to sound really cool. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2. That's played twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And then it goes to B minor. 1, 2 to the G. 1, 2 to the D. In this part here, when you're going to the B minor here, okay, you can add A as a passing chord to the B minor, to that B minor and to that one. You can add A as a passing chord. Now there's 2 options that you can do there. You can go do D/C# to the B minor, or you could do D, A, B minor, or you could do D, C#, B minor. So that's the way you can go towards the B minor. There are two ways, both of them will work, and both of them will work in the band setting. You don't have to play one or the other. You can use both of them. The bass is going boom, 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 every time they go to the B minor. Okay? And that also is in the key of C, they do that kind of thing. Okay, so let's go to the chorus. Those are two ways you can go to the B minor, or you can just not do a passing chord. You can just go straight to the B minor. Let's do the chorus. How does the chorus go? Surely goodness. G. 1, 2, 3, 4. G. A long G. Da, 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 D. Da, 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 da. For the advanced players, you could do this. G. So that's G, D, a long G and a long D. And then G again. Da, 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 da. B minor. A, G, then they do the key change, E. Now let's do our chords in the key of E. E sus4. Oh, let me show you the close-up. Ah, that's not the right one. Okay, so E, E sus4. Okay, E, E sus4. Okay, and then A, B. I have a video for chords in the key of E, so you can check that out as well. That's B. So E, A, B. And what I do with the B is I mute the top string with my middle finger. That's really convenient. So you just let this hang over like that. And then C# minor is going to be at the 4th fret. Alternatively, you can play the C# minor like this. And that's all in the video of the chords in the key of E. Okay, that's C# minor. Quite cool. Mute the top string as well. And then you could do A like that. And then B like that. So C# minor, A, B. We'll go over the bridge chords, but that's a bit advanced, so we'll just leave that for the end. And before we go on with the key of E, let's just do the picking in the key of D before we finish the key of D. So it's da, 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 da. So these two fingers are on the 3rd and the 2nd string, alternating, and the bass follows the chord. So D is here, G is the bass at the top. These two fingers stay where they need to be. A, B minor. So basically you just do that picking pattern throughout the song. Oh man, I love playing guitar. And also teaching guitar really inspires you. Like you get inspired because you're working at the song and you're thinking about the details, and then it kind of sparks new creative things. Okay, So that's for the picking pattern. Let's go to the chords in the key of E, the transposed part. So, and just remember, you can screenshot this if you want to. So that's the key of E, right? There we go. So E. C sharp minor, A, E, W. So the passing chord to the C sharp minor is B. Now I didn't write that in the thing, but anytime you go to the C sharp minor, okay, there, you're gonna do the B in between. Alternatively, you could do it at the 7th fret. You could go ba, da, or you could just do E, B, C sharp. The 7th fret is the other place you can play E. An alternative voicing for the key of E. You know what's one of my dreams is to meet Ed Cash. Ed Cash, I want to meet Ed Cash one day. Ed Cash is from the band We the Kingdom, and he's also playing acoustic guitar in this band that's doing this live video. And I want to meet Brian Johnson, and I want to meet all the members from We the Kingdom, all of them. And I want to meet Brian and Jane Johnson from Bethel. I don't really want to meet Chris. Well, maybe Chris Tomlin for something else, but not for his guitar playing. He's not that good of a guitar player. I don't think so. For the difficult part of this song, he's just like clapping, because he's like, oh, I don't know this, you know? No, I'm joking. Chris Tomlin, if you're watching this, you're a good songwriter. Good guitar player probably too. I just haven't seen a lot of the chops, man. Anyway, what am I doing? He's not watching this. Okay, where are we now? Okay, so, and then for the chorus, it's basically A. Surely goodness, love, and mercy will follow the C sharp minor. Now we get to the hard part, the bridge. Now the bridge is quite intense. I'm going to show you the hard way first, and then you can decide if you want to learn it that way or the easy way. So it strums an E chord, and then it has a bass line going up ba, 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 to the A. Now I use this A for this one. Da, 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 ba, ba, da, to the B. So let me just play the whole bridge slow so you get context for the whole thing. So it's the bridge kind of starts on an A, but you have an E going up to the A. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. A da da B da 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 da. So this is actually you just want to play that one note, the C sharp, going to the C sharp. So from the beats. Or you could do the octave as well with the pinky. Or you could just do G sharp to the C sharp minor. G sharp, F sharp minor. Now you could do this F sharp minor, or you could do this F sharp minor easy version. Or you could do this one, the full bar, or this one, what I like to do. Who's watching at the moment? I just want to know who's watching live now. I know it's you, Glory, but there's 3 other people, so I don't know who it is. So 1, 2, 3, 4. After the F sharp minor, the first time, hey, I got what's up, dude? Yeah, dis lekker dat jy kyk. After the F sharp minor, you can go C sharp minor B. That's what they do the first time, and then the second time they just go to the B. So the B is longer. So the first time it's like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, Carl. Here we go. Second time. Back to the chorus. Yeah, I think that's for that lesson. I don't think there's anything else there. The easy version of the bridge, you could just do ba 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 ba, C sharp minor, ba 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 ba. You could just do something like that. But yeah, I think just for the bridge, if you just do what Chris Tomlin does in the video, he just claps hands. Act like, you know, you don't want to play because you want to kind of clap hands with people. And then you seem really pro. But if you want to learn the advanced version, just take it slowly, one step at a time. Okay, what are we going to do next? Well, let's look at our list.